be competitive in the 21st century, companies need to build their human capital. Business success depends on the competence of one's workforce and their ability to deliver on business objectives. Yet finding the right and competent people in today's world is challenging. Why? Shifts in demographics from the aging population in Western Europe to the one-child policy in China affects the supply and demand of top talent. Gaps between university degrees and the skills really needed by companies make finding the right people challenging at best. The decline in the number of students enrolling in science, technology, engineering and mathematics has aggravated the supply chain of highly skilled workers. The flexibility of today's workforce, with people moving across industries and grabbing opportunities where they exist, has increased recruitment competition. All these factors have created the fight for brainpower. Yet to achieve business growth, securing talent becomes one of the most important strategic objectives. Employers need to work constantly on their employment marketing and ask themselves how to get the right people, how to meet both short and long-term recruitment needs, and how to build the ideal workforce to achieve their business plan. Now, how about you? Have you ever compared your staff engagement to that of your competitors? Do you believe your brand position is true and competitive? How can you beat the competition if you don't know their strengths and weaknesses? And what about your communication budget? How can you be sure it's money well spent? Are you using the right channels to reach talent? And do you know what they really want to hear? Go beyond recruitment and focus on employer branding. Recruitment is short-term, whereas employer branding is a long-term effort. By working strategically with your employer brand on a long-term basis, you'll be able to secure talent and achieve business growth. We at Universum work closely with clients for the long term to achieve tangible results. We help build your brand to capture talent and work closely together to achieve your goals. How do we do this? By going through a comprehensive 4-step process to understand, decide, plan, and act. We help you understand the expectations of talent via our market research. We use this information to benchmark any company based on the preferences of talent groups, how they perceive the employer, and their competition. We help you decide brand positioning via our advisory services. We then help you plan your communications to identify the right channels and create the right messages per channel. This optimizes your communication budget. Finally, we help you communicate to your target group via our unique media portfolio. We create a message for you that is true and attractive, one that creates impact, something we like to call storytelling. Our holistic approach will help you achieve what's most important: a desirable brand position that allows you to attract and retain talent. Universum, building brands to capture talent.